The appearance of the new 9th generation Toyota Camry is a significant event. Designed and assembled in the USA, this midsize sedan is more powerful and elegant. The new Toyota Camry features a 5th generation full hybrid system, updated styling inside and out, and a wide range of standard features, including advanced driver assistance systems. The new Toyota Camry will be available in 4 trim levels: LE, XLE, SE, and XSE. The 9th generation Camry is fully hybrid and high-tech. At first glance, some family traits come from the recently updated Toyota Prius hybrid, especially in the front. Toyota divides the Camry lineup into 2 parallel directions, the sporty SE and the more advanced XSE, as well as the traditional LE and the luxurious XLE variant.
Do not forget to subscribe and like. Your rating is very important to us.
Trims differ in bumpers, wheels, and interior and exterior trim, with the LE and XLE getting horizontal grille slats and subdued air intakes, while the SE and XSE get larger air intakes and a more mesh grille treatment. Same models have a sportier appearance, a sleek roofline, and a hammerhead shark-like body. Sport trims have functional aerodynamic vents, a rear diffuser, a rear spoiler, black Camry badging, and dual exhaust tips. All models feature slim LED headlights and LED taillights. Standard wheels range from 16 to 19 inches in diameter. The new Camry comes with a temporary spare tire, just like before. The new Camry comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes frontal collision mitigation with pedestrians, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control with low-speed tracking, automatic high-beam headlights, recognition of road signs, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert. The Premium Plus package for XLE and XSE trims adds even more safety features, including a front cross-traffic alert system and a 360-degree parking camera. Optional all-wheel drive adds another electric motor at the rear. The all-wheel drive produces a total of 232 horsepower. This increase in power comes from a third electric motor that drives the rear axle exclusively. The V6 engine is no longer used. Part of the upgrade includes suspension tweaks. McPherson front struts and a multi-link rear suspension, Toyota says, will improve responsiveness and agility. The braking system has also been updated to provide balanced handling and comfort. The interior of the new model looks much more modern. The touchscreen no longer feels like an afterthought, as on the previous model, and the perceived quality has improved significantly. XLE and XSE trims are available with a 10-inch head-up display for speed display and warning indicators. The sporty SE and XSE models feature aluminum sport pedals and steering wheel paddle shifters. The standard smartphone features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are completely wireless. A wireless charging pad is included, and there are 5 USB ports and 2 Bluetooth ports for connecting your phone. Other tech features include available in-vehicle Wi-Fi with 4G connectivity for up to 5 devices and a digital key on XLE and XSE trims, allowing you to use your smartphone as a key to lock, unlock, and even start the car. This is all suede, which is sheathed on the dashboard and doors. Therefore, depending on the class, you will receive different materials for the dashboard and doors. For the sake of comfort, Toyota has redesigned the front seats with a new lower cushion shape that is longer and uses a different density of foam than before. The headrest has also been softened and moved back a little. There's a bit of hard plastic in the back, which is typical for this class of car. No problem with legroom. For the first time, the Camry gets a panoramic sunroof with a sliding sunshade, offered on the XSE and XLE. Heated seats and additional ventilation are available on the XLE and XSE trims. These trims should be slightly quieter on the road thanks to laminated acoustic glass on the front windows. Now a rundown of the features you get on each trim. Elite package. 225 horsepower hybrid 4-cylinder engine. 16-inch alloy wheels. LED headlights. Push-button start. Dual-zone automatic climate control with rear vents. 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphones. Wireless charging pad. SE package. Add sporty touches, including sporty appearance, 18-inch black alloy wheels, sports tuned suspension, leather steering wheel with paddle shifters, synthetic leather upholstery, power driver's seat, aluminum sports pedals, XLE trim. Adds more high-end features to LE, such as front side acoustic glass, chromed exterior trim, keyless entry, 12.3-inch digital instrument panel, 12.3-inch touchscreen, leather upholstery, electrically adjustable front passenger seat, heated front seats, XSE trim level. Similar to XLE but gives a sportier look due to black rear spoiler and exterior badging, double exhaust tips, sports tuned suspension, 19-inch wheels. Even though the 2025 Camry is all hybrid, Toyota isn't making any fuel economy claims just yet. However, the previous generation Camry LE Hybrid received a combined EPA rating of 52 miles per gallon, while the SE, XLE, and XSE hybrids achieved 46 miles per gallon. Prices have not yet been announced. The outgoing 2024 model starts at $27,515. The car should appear in the spring of 2024.
Do not forget to subscribe and like. Your rating is very important to us.